Hello and welcome to another lecture in SaltStack DevOps Automation powered by Semaphore UI course by TechLatest.net. So far, we had covered a lot of things like introduction to SaltStack, key features of SaltStack, benefits of SaltStack for DevOps, benefits of using SaltStack TechLatest VM regions to choose TechLatest SaltStack VM, SaltStack key concepts, setting up SaltStack on AWS. Now, in this lecture, basically, we'll cover setting up SaltStack on GCP. So basically, there's a step-by-step guide like how you set up SaltStack on GCP. So go on techlatest.net website, then click on product and support page. In the search bar, type SaltStack. So you can see the SaltStack DevOps automation powered by Semaphore UI. Click on this product. And here you can see the GCP deployment guide, Azure deployment guide, AWS deployment guide. So basically in this lecture, we will cover GCP deployment guide. So click on GCP deployment guide. And here you can see this step-by-step guide. So first open this link in a new tab. Okay, so here you can see SaltStack DevOps automation powered by Semaphore UI. This is the step-by-step guide. Then click on Get Started button. And after this, you have to accept this terms and agreements. Then click on Agree button. So after this, uh, if you can successfully agree to terms and then click on Deploy button here, and it will basically open an overview page of all the things where you can choose location and other things, or basically you have to give deployment name. So my deployment name is SaltStack1, and here you can choose zone according to your zone, then select standard, basically machine type, and then after this, let's check on website also. So like in deployment service section, click on existing radio button and choose service account from a select service account drop down. Okay, so here we have already existing account in an existing account option. Okay, so if you don't see any service account drop down, then change the radio button to new account and create the new service account here. If after selecting new account option, you will get below permission error message, then please reach out to your GCP admin to create a service account by following step-by-step guide. Basically, this is a step-by-step guide to create GCP service account. So this is the step-by-step guide. You can also follow this guide. Then refresh the deployment page. Once the service account is created, it should be available in the drop-down. Okay, select a zone where you want to launch the VM option. Change the number of ports and amount of memory. Optionally change the board disk type and size. Optionally change the network name and other things. Okay. So let's check on website. Let's check on here also. Like this is our machine type and other things. Then click on deploy button. And after this, your deployment is started now. Here you can see the SaltStack1, SaltStack DevOps automation powered by Semaphore UI, and step 3 by 3. Basically, it will start deploying. And then after this, a summary page displays when the compute engine successfully deployed. Click on the instance link to go to the instance page. On the instance page, click on the instance button, select open in browser window. Okay. So here you can see that it will start. The process will start now. So wait for 1 to 2 minutes. Have your VM is successfully deployed. Now click on compute engine button. So it will open an overview page of your VM basically. So here you can see the SaltStack1 VM. After this, you can see a lot of things here like SSH button, control to serial console and all the things. Okay, so let's go on website again and then click on SSH option and click on open in browser window. Okay, so basically it will open in terminal, SSH terminal, or you can see anything here. You can see the transferring SSH keys to the VM. It will take 1 or 2 minutes establishing connection to the SSH server. So wait for 1 minute, 1 more minute. You can see that we have successfully connected to our terminal now. Okay, then you have to go on the website again. So this will open SSH window in browser, switch to Ubuntu user and navigate to the Ubuntu home directory. So copy this command and paste here on terminal. Then click enter button. Unable to open the working directory. Uh, Permission denied. Welcome to the friend. Okay. So I show 1, 2. Then give me a minute. I will again run this command. Okay. Okay. I think there are some problem here. Okay. Then copy this command again and run here. So you can see that we have successfully connected to our VM also Ubuntu SaltStack 1 VM. Okay. Then run the below command to the set the password for the Ubuntu user. So copy this command, paste here. Then give new password here, and again retype new password here. You can see the message that password is updated successfully. Here you can see the message. Then let's see what is the next step. Now the password is open to user send. You can connect to the VM desktop environment from any local Windows machine using RDP or Linux machine using Remina. To connect using RDP via Windows machine, first note the external IP of the VM from the VM details page is highlighted below. Okay, so to copy the external IP address from here, then search about the remote desktop connection. Paste the public IP address, then click on connect and click on yes. And after this, you can maximize it and zoom it so it will also fit on a screen. Then yes, now login as an Ubuntu and we'll give password which you have set up. Click on OK. Then after this, this will connect to the VM desktop environment for provide Ubuntu as a user ID and password. We have done with these steps. Now you're connected to out of the box SaltStack DevOps automation powered by Semaphore UI VM desktop environment via Windows machine. So to connect using RDP via Linux machine, first note the external IP of the VM from the VM details page. Then from your local machine, local Linux machine, go to the menu in the search box, type Remina. Note if you don't have Remina installed on your Linux machine, first install Remina as per Linux distribution. Okay, so for Remina, you have to here you can see the direct link. If you click on this link and open link in new tab, so you will redirect to Remina and you have to download from here. Then next step is in the Remina same, you have to paste the IP address and click on OK. Then you are connected to out of the box Semaphore UI and SaltStack DevOps automation powered Semaphore UI desktop environment via Linux machine. To access the Semaphore web interface, first reset Semaphore new password by running the below command by SSH terminal. So copy this command and you have to run this command in the terminal. Okay. So we in the place of new password you have to set. So you have to give password here and then you have to enter. So you can see that your password is changes now. Then once Semaphore password is ready to copy the public IP address from the VM details page and paste in the browser using HTTPS VM public command. Make sure to use HTTPS, not HTTP. Okay, so copy this command, copy this IP address, then type HTTPS here and paste the IP address here. So your connection is not private. You have to click on advanced, then proceed to this IP. And here you can see that we have like Semaphore UI is running now. Give username as admin and give password which you set up. So here you can see that we have successfully logged in our Semaphore UI. Now let's see what is the next step. So we have done with this steps. Now log into Semaphore UI. If you want to like this VM comes with the various salt models pre-configured out of the box for you. The salt configuration files are located at etc salt directory. You can access these files and folders from SSH or RDP sessions. So these are some files: salt master, salt minion, salt cloud, salt API, salt proxy, salt sending, salt SSS, salt toaster, salt PK. Okay, so these are some commands. Now we have to run next command here. Let's paste here and enter. So these are some these are some salt models, okay, which are come pre-configured, which are comes with this VM. Okay, salt master base repository was salt sls5 srv/salt, and the Semaphore config directory is home Ubuntu Semaphore. So that's all about this lecture. I hope you guys like this lecture. Don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel. Bye bye. We'll meet in next video.